How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be a couple more Christmas card shout outs that I got in the mail today. So I'm going to give them a shout out, some Christmas cards, and I got a trade that I did with old Jimmy Ledford at Leadhead Custom Plastics. Okay, and before we get this video started, I want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. I'll never ask you for a dime. And if I mention anybody in this video or any of my videos, I always leave a link in the description below the video. Just go over there, check them out, click on them, go right to them. You can subscribe, you can like, you can leave a comment, you can share. Man, that's all I ask for. Just support this great community here on YouTube. And if you ever need to contact me, I always leave an email in the description below, guys. All right, so let's get this started. All right, I got another Christmas card in the mail. I promise you guys, I'll get them out next year. I need to get a good family picture made. Me and the wife's been wanting to do it, and this whole year's been kind of chaotic this year, so we haven't got it done. But this one right here is from Phil at Horton's Hot Rod Shop. Let's get over here. And this is my buddy up there in Michigan. Oh yeah, check out that beautiful card. I love it. I used to own a couple of Chevy trucks like this. I had a 49, which my grandfather left me back in the 80s when I was a teenager. And guys, I wish I still had it. Done but me, being young. I wound up getting rid of it and bought some wheels for my brand new Dodge pickup that I had at the time, little mini truck. That's back during the mini truck craze, guys. And then I had a 50 model here probably about 10 years ago. And man, I don't know, I just lost interest in it, and I wound up selling it. And man, I wish I had it back. But cool Christmas card. Thank you for the kind words, Phil. Thank you very much. Love it. And it'll go on I'll tape it up here with my other Christmas cards I got over here over the, not a fireplace, but my model display cabinet here. And then the last one I got right here is from William right here. It used to be Ruckus Rod and Custom. Now it's Red Hill Rod and Customs. And guys, check out both these guys. They are awesome. Like Phil, he's like me. He's into the vintage plastic. There's several of us guys in this community that are really into the vintage plastic and restoring them and bringing them back to life and stuff. And that's a great channel right there, guys. He's always going to like estate sales, and they got big model shows up there, and he goes to the model shows and swap meets and stuff like that. Of course, I don't really got nothing like that down here. I envy him. I'm jealous. Gosh dang it. I love the vintage stuff. But, and this one here is William. Now, he lives out in California with Paul and all the other guys in the club. And this guy here, and he goes to the Pomona swap meets, and he goes to SEMA, and he goes to all the cool car shows, and he goes to model shows and stuff, and he is a wealth of knowledge. He's a great builder too. I mean, both these guys are, but man, look at that. When I was a kid, I built that model kit right there. I don't know how many times. I'd buy them all the time. Don't have one in my collection of that. Now, I got the original stone wooden cooks, but several of them, but I don't have that box art. But that is such a cool box art. I think that was like the Hot Rod series or something. I can't remember, but very cool. And thank you for the kind words, brother. I sure do appreciate it. And then he also sent me a Tamiya sticker to go on my mats over here with all my decals for the model companies, and then all you guys that have YouTube channels that have sent me decals. And I put them over here, so that sure will. That's fixing to go over there here in just a few minutes, brother. I appreciate it. Love you guys. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all y'all out there. All right, let's set this right here. And I'm fixing to come over here and turn you around and I'll bring you over here and show you what old Jimmy me and him traded for, and then I might show you the van. I've been working on the van. I'm getting a little bit done on the van. All right, guys, this stack of models right here, Jimmy sent me. He didn't have to send me all that stuff, and I sure do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. But yeah, first of all, you know, he sent me a bag of, this is the Austin Powers Shagwire, and it is complete there, but the figure is missing, and I'll have to get me a new set of decals for it. But other than that, that thing is in excellent shape. No box. He just threw that in. It wasn't even part of the deal. Man, I appreciate that. This modeling community is awesome. And then, let me kind of move some of this stuff out of the way. I'm still going to have to arrange stuff, guys. He sent me this box right here, and it's got a few Jaguar parts in it. Now, the car's not there, but because he built the car, and you know how Jimmy does. I mean, man, he full-blown custom, 3D printed engines and everything. So this is all the leftover parts, and man, I could sure use them because I got several of these Jaguars, and I got bodies and stuff but they're glue bombs and stuff. So these parts are really going to help out, man. I appreciate you. And then he knows I love my Johan stuff. Now this is not the kit. This is the box and all the leftover parts, because he built this kit. Oh my God, and it was an awesome build too. Y'all need to go over there and check it out. So Jimmy sent me all the leftover parts. There's a promo chassis for a Maverick. There's a promo chassis for the Marlin, and then there's the Marlin chassis and an interior tub. Man, anytime I can get extra Johan parts, man, yes. And the box is awesome. Thank you, Jimmy. I can't thank you enough, brother. And then, the main thing that we traded for was, man, I can't get enough Mini Coopers or any of my little British cars and stuff. So, I got a couple of these right here. I got the race version. And, yeah, this one's been started on a little bit, but this one underneath it hasn't. Man, it was an awesome trade, guys. I love these. I got a crap ton of them over here. I love the Mini Coopers. You can see right there. Yeah. I think I even got a couple of big scale ones right there. Yeah, y'all know I love my Mini Coopers. Thank you, Jimmy. All right, let's move that out of the way. Let's put that over. And then he sent me 4 of these motorcycles, 1/24 scale. This is the Heller box, and they've also been issued in the Airfix box. So, and they're both the same. They just share the molds. I don't know who was first, the Heller or the Airfix had them first. I really don't know on that, but these are untouched. And matter of fact, one of these will be my motorcycle group build, hosted by Cliff and Jamie. I'll just have to figure out which one I want to do, because they're doing race bikes this year, and it starts January 1st. And I'll have to figure out which one I want to do. But these things, guys, are awesome. I sure do appreciate it. And then that's a Suzuki, and the other one's a Honda. And then I got 2 of these Yamahas right here. Man, these things are sweet, guys. I don't know if y'all ever looked in this. I think old John at Mighty JJK, I think he'll probably be hollering at me, "Hey man, Sean, I need one of them." And I might just have to let him have one of these, because man, he's a motorcycle building fool. Look at that. Those things are small and cool. Gosh dang, I appreciate it. Jimmy. Love you, brother. Like I said, I got 2 of those. I got another one right there. Now, let's take you over here. Let you see what I got going on. Yes, got all this room, guys. And my desk is still a mess. Look at this mess. As soon as I get my paint booth in, this is all going to be reconfigured, because I'm going to put my paint booth here, and I can just work on the models through here, and stuff. And then I'll move some stuff around over in here. Right now, I just got stuff thrown in the way. And y'all remember, I'm working on old Terry Thacker's group or memorial build, and it's that kit right there. I can't hardly turn it. I got so many parts in it, but it's the MPC. If y'all can see that right there, it's the MPC hijacker van, 4-wheel drive. It's a Econoline van, and matter of fact, I got it right here. The thing, I gotta polish it out. I cut the hood open right here. You're not gonna really get to see too much of the engine, but I still cut it open. I don't care. It's got the doors open and everything, and I still got to put carpet on the doors. And right here, I'm getting the wood grain. I don't know if you can see that wood grain on it, the light in here. I'm getting that wood grain effect going. Here's some of the wood grain effect I got going right there. That's for like the stove and sink, and then underneath the bed. Yes, it's going to have a bed in the back of it. And then right here, I'm getting the chassis all glued up. I got the wheels. You can see right here, the wheels are done, other than I got to get the white letters painted on there. You can see that right there. Thing's going to be awesome, guys. Here I'll probably weather it up a little bit underneath here too, you know. But that's what we got going on underneath the chassis here. Thing's going to set up pretty good. Let's see. Here's the other side of it right here. You can see I got this. I got the carpet in it. Now I got to do the carpet like I said in the other place. There's the engine. Yeah, I did put plug wires on it, even though you're really not going to see a whole lot of it. And you can see over there I got parts just shoved everywhere. But yeah, that's really all I got going on, guys. Got some Christmas cards hung up there. I'll get the others hung up. But yeah, so go check out everybody I just mentioned in this video. That's how I like to support. Just support everybody. I don't need to grow or anything like that, guys. I don't ever ask you for a dime. All I ask for is just support everybody in this wonderful modeling community, guys. All right, love y'all. Peace out.